visiting the Shark Reef Aquarium. So let's talk about sharks. A shark does not have a single bone in its body. Instead, it has a skeleton made of cartilage. Most sharks live up for about 25 years, while some can live to be 100 years too. Shark's body is heavier than the sea, so if it stops moving, it will sink. So, sharks don't sleep in the same way as humans. Even if they seem to be sleeping, they are not. Instead, they are just resting. Shark is called a swimming nose for its great sense of smell. They can feel movements made by other animals that are hundreds of feet away. Some sharks hold food in their stomachs without it being digested for 3 months. A shark's teeth are usually replaced every 8 days, about 30,000 teeth in their lifetime, so they don't need to visit a dentist, I guess. Some sharks lay eggs, while most give birth to babies. Let's go find the baby shark toys and play.
Talia, when you put this in the water, it starts singing Baby Shark. Also, I'm a space simp.
Baby shark, oh no, baby shark, the baby shark. Whoa! Let's see what happens when we put in the water. Whoa! It sings. And then you take it out. It won't. It'll stop. Baby shark. Mommy shark. Because don't sing.